Pregnancy is a special time, and it's essential that your therapist is qualified and experienced in pre- and postnatal care so that they understand your unique journey and can help you keep safe and comfortable.
Are you having baby girl or boy?
Baby boy. Yeah.
Congrats.
Yeah.
Our range of pregnancy and postnatal treatments are tailored to each woman's needs based on an in-depth consultation.
Any specific area where you're feeling pain today?
Yeah, I would love you to work on my shoulders if possible.
Yeah.
I'm trying to sleep a lot more on my sides now, so I'm noticing that they're feeling a bit more tense.
Our specialist practitioners understand the do's and don'ts of pregnancy massage and know which products, positions and techniques are safe to use throughout the stages of your journey. We're passionate about pampering you and easing the everyday stresses, plus all the extra aches and anxiety that can come with pregnancy and caring for a young baby. In early pregnancy, we are careful to avoid many of the essential oils commonly used in massage, as they can be harmful at this time.
So I've been receiving massages. The In Bloom one in particular has been amazing. Nice just to receive something that is a full body nurturing.
Receiving the right treatment in late pregnancy helps you relax and ease aches and pains while preparing you for birth.
Being a mum of two, soon to be 3, and also managing an early childhood centre, I'm constantly on my feet. I was just so relaxed, and I definitely know that my baby loved it. She was kicking away and it just made me smile.
We believe it's important to continue caring for a woman after she has given birth. We nurture you so that you can focus your attention on your baby.
After my first pregnancy massage, I was hooked. Bella Mama is a place to come for other people to take care of me.
After your treatment, we encourage you to rest in our relaxation room. Bella Mama is the only pregnancy and postnatal day spa in Auckland. Contact us today to book your treatment.